Welcome to Orange Ulster BOCES Lead Evaluator of Principles online recertification course. To access the course, you'll need your Moodle login through Orange Ulster BOCES. You should have received an email with your login credentials. However, if you did not, you will be able to click on the Forgot link from the Moodle homepage. Let's begin by accessing the Moodle homepage by visiting the address bar and typing in moodle.ouboces.org. Once on the login screen, you can log in with your credentials, or if you don't know what your username and password are, you can click on the Forgot link. And once you're inside the Moodle, you're going to look for the course titled Lead Evaluator of Principles Online Recertification Course. You can click on the orange text and it will take you into the course itself. This course consists of 4 modules, which will take you through the process of becoming recertified as a lead evaluator of principles. The content for the course includes an overview of the 9 required criteria for recertification in New York State, principal evaluation regulations under 3012D, the professional standards for administrators, formerly known as the ISLIC standards, and the new professional standards for evaluators of principles, as well as best practices. Each module has an associated assignment along with it. Module 1 has a multiple choice quiz, and modules 2, 3, and 4 each have a short answer assignment. Each assignment is hyperlinked under its associated module. If at any time you have any questions, please feel free to respond to this email. We wish you an enjoyable journey through the content of this course, and we'll be in touch at the conclusion of the course notifying you of your completion. Thank you.